Question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree centigrade. Temperature at 12 noon is 10 degree centigrade above 0. That means plus 10 degree centigrade. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degree centigrade per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degree centigrade below 0 degree? What would be the temperature at midnight? That means your temperature at 12 noon during the day, that is plus 10. Okay, and every hour it is decreasing by 2 degree centigrade. As it is decreasing, that means minus 2. Okay, so at what time the temperature would be minus 8 degree centigrade below 0. 8 degree centigrade below 0 means minus 8. Okay, so you are here and temperature should come or should reach to minus 8. So what is the falling temperature? That is, it is minus is plus, it is 18 degree centigrade. Okay, so that means the temperature should fall by 18 degree. So 18 divided by, and in every hour it is decreasing by 2, so it is 9 hours. So 12 noon plus 9 hours, that is means 9 o'clock or 9 p.m. Okay, at what time would be the temperature at midnight? That means midnight means 12 a.m. and how much difference? 12 hours. Okay, so in 12 hours how much the temperature will decrease? 12 into 2, it is 24. So, and it, as it is decreasing, it is minus 24. So temperature first, when that at 12 noon it was 10 degree, so plus 10, and after 12 hours the temperature fall is minus 24. So this is 10 plus minus minus, so it is minus 14. So and the temperature at midnight will be minus 14 degree centigrade. Okay, next is question number 6. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. For every correct answer, plus 3 marks are given, and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. And no marks for not attempting any questions. That means when you are giving a correct answer, you will get plus 3, and for an incorrect answer you will get minus 2. Okay, Radhika scored 20 marks. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? If she has got 12 correct answers, so 12 correct answer means she should have scored 12 into 3, 36, but she has scored 20 marks. Okay, so that means how much marks it has been deducted from his marks? This is 36 minus 20, that is 16 marks are being deducted from this score. So 16 marks, so 16 for each incorrect marks, 2 marks will be deducted. So total 16 marks are being deducted. So 16 divided by 2, 8. The number of questions he has attempted incorrectly is 8. Same way you will, this was question number 1. Question number 2 you will do. Question number 7. An elevator descends into mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? An elevator descends into mine shaft, that means it is going into the mine, and 6 meter per minute, that means it is descending 6 meter per minute. Now say that starts from the where above the mine, it is 10 meter above. Say here this mine is starting, so from here that elevator is starting. This is 10 meter and it has to go, take to reach minus 350. Minus 350 means it is going down, that's why it is minus 350. So how much distance it has to cover? 10 minus 350. Okay, so it is 10 plus 350, it is 360 meter it has to cover, and per minute it is 6 meter. 6 meter, the speed of that elevator is 6 meter per minute, means 6 meter is going per minute. So 360 meters, how much it will take to cover 360? 360 divided by 6 is 60 minute. That means 1 hour. Thank you.